How to fix Cricbuzz app not working and opening problem. So if you want to fix Cricbuzz app not opening or not working problem, then first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because without the internet connection, it won't work. And once you have the internet connection, the next thing you need to do is tap and hold on to the application, Cricbuzz application, and then go with the app info. Once you're on your app info, you need to go clear all data, which is on the bottom right, and then tap on OK. And after clearing your data, you can go back and try to open or log into your account, and your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is update it. So open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for Cricbuzz. After searching, if you have any updates, you need to go and update it, and after updating, your problem might be fixed. Now, after updating, you can go and restart your device, and that's it. These were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.